Myntri Sarkar Jela Uba AL-Hek haka aku pratrik jemang ulah Hiar sya Sohra ban bishar ya kakam kabayde berkejigwat ya ki kurim ki nongwan Shanghai pertai ki badai na Indore Madhya Pradesh kata kasonam bat uraja Raghuvanshi ki balaja arngai hakathain Sohra nadu katayo baladep. Kajingwat ya kini ki kurim kadang yai beteng ha kabahni kasngi ki ladon lightly ki kenhuan ai jingera bala kershan lang da ki K9 unit ki drone naka nesak bat ki pulit special organization team SOT ki balaya shem benta ha kini kajingwat ya kini ki kurim syakathan mau sahewa kalyar wei saudong ong uba hek haba keren syakilat pathai kubor. Kini ki kurim layathu bakilawan poi hakashnong maulakhat elaka menteng haka arpu atrik jemang da kawe ke skuti ke bashuwai banle jengo e ke jingking dingjeri balatip kum ka double decker road bridge hanong riat haringkat uno elam lenti uba bahawan sai haka bakilasa haka homestay hanong riat haka te kamin. Haka jingwat lalap e ke skuti ke bakila shimwai na Sohra rem ke badan ringkat ushabi haka arpu sau terik. Nakaliang kibor pulit kilayo pediang ya kejing ujor na kibahayi ngasem jong kini kisijor kibala pentip bakim yo syu ban phone yaki namar ka phone jong ki kalalip nadu kamit ni ublay balala. Kibor pulit ha kejing toket kila syam baha ka aku atrik jemang kini kisijor kila ikno ikitiar jong ki haman ha homestay ha site so pen Sohra namar kejing bom light jakasa bat namar ke jingjur slap da ke ba aya ke kerteng bat number phone jongki haswa bakinya syakmat ban lej wat jakasa Henry hadin layo jingtip bakila beteng ye ke jinglej chanong riat keni ke jingwat ikini kishi kurim kan beteng syaki jakariat hakathan mau kedog ding po bat syadu Sohra rim bat halenter ke surok na shilong sya Sohra. Nakaliang Myntri ula penpau ya kejing don kamban shimkhia bat ban penstet ya kejing wat ringkat kejing kershan ke bapura nakaliang ke Sarkar kenang ban lap din pat ya kini kisijur.
Still now cannot be traceable. Number one is because I got the call from BJP leaders from Madhya Pradesh and also from the Honorable Minister, but I will not mention the name because they said that they're relative only. So they have told me to just to help them. Then I said, okay, since this request came from our party and also from the Honorable Minister, so I have some work also in in Sohra today. So by both the work have been completed and combined. So assessment is not traceable at all. I had a meeting with the SDO Civil, the BDO and also the another magistrate. But very difficult. They have tried their best. They have given all the details. Also, I have already sent it to you the details minutely. So, but traceable till now, till at this moment, there is no traceable at all. Doctor, I'm telling you, already have given to you, but I just once again, I just want to give you. So, the Sohra police station has initiated search operation for the tourist couple reported missing after their visit at Meghalaya village, Elaka Menteng, near the double-decker road bridge in Nong Riat. From inquiry so far, we have learned that on May 22nd, 2025, the couple arrived at Meghalaya village on the rented scooty and engaged in a local guide, Mr. Bha Wansai, to escort them to the Shipara homestay at Nong Riat, where they stayed overnight. They checked out from the homestay at 6 a.m. on May 23rd, 2025 and proceed back to Meghalaya village. Since then, there is no sign of the person's whereabouts. So that is, I have already done my part, since they have told me by my colleague from the Madhya Pradesh and also my party from Madhya Pradesh. So we have already, on humanitarian ground, we have been approached I have told the SP also, I have told the DC also, and also I have told the ADM, the SDO Civil of Sohra. Drone also, they have used. They have tried their best, I'm telling you, from police department, they have tried their best, from the Sardar, the Hima also, they have tried their best to locate and to find out the whereabouts of these couples, but they could not trace it out.
What is the possibility?
I cannot be able to tell you anything right now.